In Traicee, the system automatically pulls deadlines from your documents and generate tasks that match your workflow. In the deadline tile, you'll see every deadline that's been extracted, plus any you've added yourself. If you need to add another deadline during the transaction, just click here. A new window opens where you can pick a date and add a sentence or two describing it. When you click Add Deadline, now you see your new deadline populated in the tile. Sometimes deadlines change, and adjusting them in Traicee is easy. Just click any line, and a window opens where you can update the deadline with just a click. If all conditions have been met, click Mark Satisfied. That deadline now shows as satisfied, and it updates on your dashboard's deadline tile too. Now let's look at the task window. In this example, I have a few tasks that need my attention right away. Let's start with this one, Confirm Appraisal Ordered. To the right of that line, you'll see this icon. This icon tells you Traicee doesn't yet know who this task is assigned to. In other words, there's no lender listed in the participants. So let's add a lender. Once we've added a lender, you'll see that now there is a text and an email icon. Clicking on either one opens a window where you can send that participant a text or an email. The wording of both is fully customizable. You can also customize which tasks get generated in the first place. Let me show you that. In the Settings section, find the File Preferences tab. Here you'll see all the tasks that Traicee generates when you open a new file. There are separate tabs for listings and buyers, so you can customize your task list for those too. Click on any task to control how it behaves. Change the due date, rewrite the default email, or turn off the email and tasks if you don't assign this task. You can switch off a task entirely if it doesn't fit your workflow, or create a brand new task to make this process your own. You have total control over every task in Traicee. If your state or brokerage has its own required paperwork, like a commission disbursement, you can set that up here too. Traicee will keep an eye out for it and even create the task or deadline automatically, so nothing slips through. Now back to the task tile on the file page. Click on the task line itself, and a window opens where you can make changes, adjust the date, edit the description, mark it completed, or dismiss it altogether. Together, deadlines and tasks in Traicee make sure you stay on top of every important date with almost no effort.